tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Holland, Galway, Denton, Ellis, Hill, Lewis, Kaufman, Parker, Rockwall, and Herod. This concludes the test of weather radio station KEC56.